Hello, Facebook Live. Good morning. It's 8:10. My second Facebook Live today. It's Monday, December 7th, and it's my second Facebook Live this morning. I had done a Facebook Live about 2 hours ago, a little after 6 a.m., talking about our daily deals and needed some feedback. I've been working, running some errands, back and forth to the Airbnb property that we're doing. So I've been super busy this morning. Super busy this morning. I wanted to talk about, Jamie and I came up with an insane $9.99 deal. So it seems like a lot of people want a weekly deal as opposed to a nightly deal, which is no problem for us to do. It's very super easy for us to do. So if you're tuning in live, by the way, drop a comment, hashtag live. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Tina. A bunch of other people are on. So good morning. So craziest thing, the $9.99 deal yet that we're going to do, we're starting it today. And it'll run until this Friday. Keep in mind we're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so Monday, Thursday, Friday. This is the craziest deal ever. Our ribeye steak, which is usually $20, we're going to blow it out all week for $9.99 to go. $9.99 to go. Our ribeye steak all week. It's cooked, topped with the garlic, cooked, and you pick up $9.99 to go. It is the most insane, craziest $9.99 deal we've done yet. If you were to buy that steak on our grocery list raw, it would actually cost you the same price. So we will cook it for you, top it with garlic, all that kind of stuff, with the balsamic glaze and the olive oil. You're actually saving money versus our grocery list. This is why this is the craziest deal ever. It was something I just threw onto Jamie and said, I want to try it, want to do this. Am I making money on it? Are we making money on it? No. But it's the fact of that we're going to get you to order from us, and hopefully you'll order something else. It's like McDonald's. Anybody ever heard of the whole McDonald's or burger place scenarios? Like, they don't make money on the burger. They make money on the fries, on the soda, on everything else they sell you. Because that burger is just basically a break-even thing to get you in the door. Basically, the same thing here. I don't want to attach any other like what am I trying to say? I don't want to say like you have to buy something else. I'm going to hope you buy something else. Unfortunately, we cannot take any offers or discounts for that deal because then I just might as well just hand you $5 when you walk in the door and say, there you go. So I can't lose money. It's crucial times right now with COVID. We are doing everything we can to keep revenue up, keep our staff happy, and keep everything balanced budget-wise. It's hard to do with only 7 tables and people being afraid to go out. It's a very hard thing to do. That's why a lot of restaurants have closed. So $9.99, our ribeye steak to go, cooked. If you are traveling a distance with it, I would recommend maybe just making sure it's ordering a temp underneath. So if you like your steak medium, maybe order it medium rare by the time you get home. And especially if you're going to reheat it. If you're going to reheat it, order it at temperature under what you normally like as precautionary. And if you wanted to reheat it, just pop it right into the broiler option on your oven for literally like 30 seconds. Put the broiler on, pop it underneath it for 30 seconds, reheat it. It'll have the garlic on it, it'll be seasoned, it'll have the olive oil and the aged balsamic on there. So that again is the craziest deal we've ever done, and it's going to be all week long. $9.99 ribeye steak special. And again, we're not making money on it unless you like buy something else. I'm not going to tell you have to buy something else. I'm going to trust you and see how it works. I'm going to trust ourselves and to see how it works and go from there. That is it. So all week long, $9.99. We're also doing our beef teriyaki special this week. That'll run all week as well, $9.99. Beef teriyaki, organic rice, broccoli, our organic teriyaki, house-made teriyaki sauce. And then also tonight, buy one, get one wings. And that's the deal with that. And these are takeout specials. These are takeout specials for Aroma Time. I'll start posting these on Facebook right away. And we're going to send an email out here in the next half an hour to announce the weekly $9.99 specials. And so stay tuned for that. Hope everybody has an amazing day. And we'll see you soon. Everybody, thanks for watching and be safe.